What is going on, guys? Angelo here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today is the day, March 4th, 2022. I get to ride a new roller coaster today, but that's not the point. Today, I get to unbox my PC. I ordered it through CLX.com. I had to search about this brand because I'd never really heard of them. They had pretty much the best price for what I was trying to get, which was like a higher end PC. I didn't want to go super crazy, but I at least wanted something to know I could stream on, do 4K, do at least 1440 or 4K, while also being able to like stream and do a bunch of other stuff on my computer, like rendering these type of videos for you guys. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. I'll go ahead and let you all know the specs and everything while I'm unboxing it, but I hope you all enjoy the video. So we're gonna go ahead and open this thing up now. Always try to make sure you cut away from you guys. Tape they use for this. This is not normal tape. It's like some other type of tape. I have no idea. I've never seen some tape like this before. It's like it looks old, but it's like still super strong. Alright. Oh, great. I was hoping that they did packaging well. So I don't know if you all can tell, but they did foam spots in each thing so the box would not move. So shout out to CLX, y'all did a great job with packaging. I like that it's a box inside of a box inside of a box. Alright. Somebody obviously knew that it was going to be a heavy package and they were like, let's put this around it. Alright, so let's take, oh my gosh, it's actually really heavy. Oh my gosh, it's way heavier when you have to do it vertically. Okay, let me take these. I might keep these. These are kind of cool. I put this box aside. And here. Alright, let's go ahead and cut this one up now. Also, really quick, I looked at the outside of the box. This thing weighs 80 pounds. That's pretty wild. This side was already cut. Alright. Oh, wow. Man, they did an excellent job on packaging. I'm really happy about that because this does have liquid cooling in here. They do this warning stuff, remove foam inserts inside before you use. If you have any questions, just hit them up with support. Again, shout out to CLX. They're not sponsoring this video. I wish they were, but they're not. So we'll take, I guess, the PC out first. Well, I can't get the PC. The PC actually is really heavy. They do give you a little gaming keyboard. I'll probably end up getting another one, but it does come with a gaming keyboard and mouse, which is a nice touch. Usually they come with the keyboard because you usually need to set up. They know most people have a monitor and you usually just need a keyboard. Most people have both, obviously, but you know, it's nice that they just give you this as an extra. Alrighty, so let me take out this piece here. Imagine this is the mouse. If it's not, I don't know what it is. Okay, it's not the mouse. It is, oh, nice. So this is the power cord. This is kind of short, but I have an extra one that's longer than this, so that's cool. This is gonna have a RTX 3080, by the way. Quick start guide for that. It does come with antennas, Wi-Fi antennas, so you need to do it wirelessly. That's a nice touch as well. Alright, so now it's time to unbox this thing. I like the way the case looks, that's for sure. I'll let y'all know the specs in a second. Hold on. Let me try to get this thing out of here. Oh my gosh. Alright. Hopefully y'all can see that on camera. I'll try to get a closer up view. Okay, so this is it. We have a little mesh thing over here. Imagine you want to take this off because you want to always have the most airflow you can get. I don't think, oh, you know what? No, it does stay on here because it has a magnetic thing. So that's nice. It's for, it basically covers up the dust. That's nice. Alright, so the top here, gonna have the power button. That lights up as well, but we have two USB 3.0s. a headphone and or a microphone and then a headphone port. Right here is gonna be, we're gonna go ahead and take this open actually. I wanna make sure I do this right. It is tempered glass, so be careful. And all you do is unscrew it like this. Alright. As y'all see, they have some like, what is it? That little sheen stuff on here, that plastic wrap. But you just be careful when you take this off because it is tempered glass. And you don't really need this. You could just leave it open, honestly, like this to have the maximum airflow. But for aesthetics, they like to always have the glass. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and remove this part. Oh, my. Now, I had to bring up the spec speed for y'all. So it's an Intel Core i9. It has the 10,900 KF. So 10,900 Intel Core i9, 3.7 gigahertz. It's going to have 32 gigs of DDR4 RAM. I couldn't do DDR5 because DDR5 RAM is still kind of hard to get, and it's also very expensive. This is going to have a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080, 10 gigabyte DDR6. Then it has a terabyte SSD, 4 terabytes Seagate HDD hard disk drive, and Windows 11 64-bit. Price ended up coming to about like $3,000 and something after tax, but this is a great deal because it's really hard to even get 3080s and 3090s right now. So I was able to get a 3080 for a pretty good price. It does have liquid cooling, and I'll talk to y'all the rest later. Alrighty, so really quick, I just wanted to show off kind of the inside. I'm about to go ahead and turn it on. They did very well with cable management. It's very minimalistic, and I really like that. Obviously, it has a little bit of liquid cooling in here. They have a little heat sink or whatever. There's something over here that kind of holds, I guess, the liquid and kind of lets the air flow a little bit better. It does have 3 fans, so there's one here. Or, I'm sorry, there's 4 fans. There's 4 fans. So there's one here, and then there's 3 over here. It's supposed to light up blue if I'm correct, but I think I can change the color. I don't know yet. This is the graphics card here, 3080. It is very cold to the touch. That's how you can, it feels like a premium graphics card. RAM is by Viper. I'm going to be switching that out to probably some Corsair Dominator RAM. They do have Dominator RAM for DDR4. It does run about $300 to $400, but it's going to be far worth it than this RAM, whatever they have here. Other than that, though, I'm going to go ahead and set this thing up, get all my software and everything installed on here, as well as transferring my external hard drive onto the main hard drive. And I really just want to thank you all so much for the continuous support. I really hope you enjoy the video. There's a lot more coming on this channel. As you can kind of see, it's a mess right now, but I have the 2 monitor Dell monitors, then I have the lighting, I got one other light over here. It's a mess right now, but in a couple of days, I'm going to be actually doing live streams and walkthroughs. I am so excited to see where this channel is going to go. I hope you stick with me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see some more content like this. Alrighty, so I finally got all the cables managed, and we're good to go here. Everything is good. We got it all in this Belkin surge protector, so shout out to Belkin. No, they are not sponsoring. Nobody's sponsoring. I wish somebody gonna sponsor one day. We gonna get a sponsor one day. But that's my Ethernet. Basically, that's like a little Wi-Fi hub. It just allows the Wi-Fi from our router to be even like keep the connection, and then I hooked that up to the Ethernet. So that was really cool that it came with like little Ethernet connections. Everything else though is good. I have my monitors set up. I was able to put up my dual monitors, so that's good. The webcam set up. All the USBs. I had plenty of USB ports, and I still have an extra one left. And I also have this extender one that extends like USB 3.0s, and I have another one of those up here. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on. I'm going to go ahead and turn the surge protector on first because I did turn that off. Okay. See, everything's charging. That's my vacuum over there. And oh, I do have, this is the keyboard I was talking about. I love the sound of that thing. All right, so I think I'm gonna have to turn this on from the back here, and then I have to press the real power button. All right, let me see here. All right, guys, moment of truth. So that's on. here we go. I want to try to get it at the same time. All right, here we go. I might have to push it. You know what? I think it was actually already on. Yeah, it was already on. It's slightly loud right now just because it probably is first starting up. Wow. There goes the RAM, RGB RAM. Oh, there's the lights there. Oh, sweet. Oh my gosh. They even lit up that fan? Oh, come on. They didn't light up this one. I don't know why. That's cool. Oh, yes, they did. Oh my. And the GeForce lights up too? Oh my goodness. Wow, I'm so happy right now. All right, I can't wait to get this thing set up. There's the LED, or yeah, the LED. I thought it was RGB. It's a LED mechanical keyboard, but it sounds amazing. I guess we can turn these monitors on as well. Ooh, y'all.